What foods cause sulfur burps? Sulfur burps can be caused by many conditions including stress, reflux, irritable bowel syndrome (IBS), and bacterial infections like H. pylori. Certain foods can also cause sulfur burps such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, garlic, dairy products, milk, and beer. Why does my burp smell like a fart? When you should take notice of foul-smelling burps. They occur when the digestive tract creates a type of gas called hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide is not always present in the gas we expel. Nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, hydrogen, and sometimes small amounts of methane are more typical components. What causes sulfur burps? Vomiting and diarrhea. Research has shown that infections in the digestive system caused by H. pylori bacteria and Giardia parasite can cause eggy burps. If you have one of these infections, you will very likely experience other symptoms, such as stomach cramps, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. What is it when your burps smell like rotten eggs? A sulfur burp is simply a burp accompanied by a foul rotten egg smell. This smell is that of hydrogen sulfide H2S gas. Sulfur burps are typically caused by one of the following: something a person ate. Hydrogen sulfide gas is produced when bacteria in the oral cavity and gastrointestinal tract break down food. How do I get rid of sulfur burps? Bismuth subsalicylate Pepto-Bismol is your best bet for reducing the sulfur smell of your burps. Simethicone, Gas X, Mylanta, helps bind gas bubbles together so you have more productive burps when you want to. What kills sulfur in the mouth? Chewing gum helps keep teeth and gums clean and masks bad breath. Some new oral healthcare products either neutralize the volatile sulfur compounds or kill the bacteria that cause their release. Some of these products contain chlorine dioxide, which has the ability to deodorize sulfur compounds. How do you cure sulfur burps? Home remedies. Tea, green tea, peppermint tea or chamomile tea can aid digestion and have been known to reduce sulfur burps. Water, stay hydrated. Sufficient water protects the stomach from bacteria and can help the digestive system break down heavier proteins and sulfur-containing foods. Are sulfur burps serious? Sulfur burps and burping throughout the day aren't conditions to worry about unless they become excessive or occur with other symptoms. Gas buildup in your body is fairly normal. Sulfur burps accompanied by more serious symptoms should be reviewed by your doctor. These may be a sign of another health condition. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more of these videos.